Hey Cardano community, Josh here from ATM Staple and welcome to Adapulse, the crypto news channel funded by Project Catalyst and supported by the Cardano community. Today, we're diving into a topic that's at the heart of every blockchain and cryptocurrency project, tokenomics. Understanding tokenomics is essential, whether you're a developer, investor, or crypto enthusiast. So, what is tokenomics and why does it matter so much? Stick around to find out as we break it down step by step. What is tokenomics? Now, tokenomics, obviously short for token economics, refers to the design and function of a cryptocurrency or a token within its ecosystem. So it encompasses everything from supply mechanisms to the incentives that drive like the user behavior. So essentially, tokenomics determines how a token gains and retains its value. In the crypto world, strong tokenomics can make or break a project. A well-designed tokenomics model ensures the long-term sustainability of a blockchain by aligning the interests of all participants. So that's including users, developers, and investors. It's not just about creating a token. It's about building an economic system that promotes adoption, utility, and growth. Understanding tokenomics helps you make informed decisions about which projects are worth your time and investment. Supply mechanisms. Fixed versus dynamic. One of the foundational aspects of tokenomics is how the supply of a token is managed. Some tokens have a fixed supply, like Bitcoin, where the total number of coins that will ever exist has a cap. So this creates scarcity, which can drive value as the demand increases. On the other hand, dynamic supply models adjust the token supply based on certain criteria, such as inflation or deflation mechanisms, to maintain the economic stability. Cardano's native cryptocurrency, ADA, has a maximum supply of 45 billion coins. So this fixed supply ensures predictability, which is crucial for long-term planning and investment. But at the same time, Cardano's staking rewards and treasury system introduced a dynamic element by redistributing tokens to secure the network and fund future development. So this balance of fixed and dynamic elements is a hallmark of a well-thought-out tokenomics system. Distribution models. Fairness matters. Another key element of tokenomics is distribution. How tokens are allocated when they're created. So distribution affects everything from decentralization to just investor confidence. So fair distribution models ensure that no single entity holds too much control, which is critical for maintaining trust and network health. Pre-mined tokens, initial coin offerings, and public sales are common methods of initial distribution. Cardano, for example, has taken a community-focused approach. So during its initial launch, ADA was distributed for a series of public sales, ensuring that a broad base of users could participate. Additionally, Cardano's treasury and staking model encourages continuous redistribution of rewards to participants. So it's fostering a more decentralized and inclusive ecosystem. Fair distribution is essential for a project's long-term sustainability and credibility. Utility and use cases. More than just a currency. A token's utility is one of the biggest factors influencing its value. Utility refers to how a token is used within its ecosystem. For example, some tokens are used to pay transaction fees, while others enable staking, governance, or access to specific services. The more ways a token can be used, the greater its general perceived value. I mean, in Cardano's case, ADA isn't just a currency. It's used for staking to secure the network, voting on proposals through Project Catalyst, and paying transaction fees, like when you're sending an NFT. As more applications and dApps are built on Cardano, ADA's utility continues to expand. Utility-driven demand is one of the key drivers of a token's value over time, making it a cornerstone of strong tokenomics. Incentives. Aligning interests across the ecosystem. Incentive structures are at the heart of tokenomics. They're what motivates users, developers, and validators to participate in the ecosystem. Staking rewards, liquidity incentives, and governance rights are just a few examples of how a token can align interests and encourage collaboration. Cardano's staking models are probably a good example of an incentive system done like correctly. So ADA holders can delegate their token to stake pools, like my ATM stake pool, to earn rewards while helping secure the network. So this creates a win-win scenario for both networks and its participants. Incentives ensure that everyone in the ecosystem has a reason to contribute, which drives long-term growth and sustainability. Governance and decentralization. Who holds the power? Governance is another critical aspect of tokenomics. It determines who has the power to make decisions about a blockchain's future. Decentralized governance ensures that no single entity can control the network, making it more resilient and trustworthy. So tokens often play a central role in governance, giving holders the ability to vote on proposals and changes. Through Project Catalyst, Cardano has implemented probably the most advanced decentralized governance systems in blockchain. ADA holders can propose and vote on initiatives to fund, like what happens to Adapulse, giving the community a direct say in how the ecosystem evolves. Governance tokens, like ADA, empower users to shape the future of the network, ensuring that it remains aligned with their interests and values. Token burning and deflationary mechanisms. Token burning is a mechanism that permanently removes tokens from circulation, often to probably counter inflation or try to increase scarcity. So when fewer tokens are available, the remaining supply becomes more valuable, obviously, assuming that the demand remains steady or is growing. Many projects use token burning as a part of their economic strategy to maintain a healthy balance of supply and demand. I mean, Cardano itself doesn't actually currently do that. Its design is more focused on sustainable growth through staking and treasury systems. However, other projects within the Cardano ecosystem might adopt deflationary mechanisms for their native tokens, adding another layer of diversity to the network's tokenomics. So whether through burning or redistribution, managing supply is a crucial part of maintaining token value. Conclusion. Tokenomics is the backbone of any blockchain project, dictating how a network functions, grows, and sustains itself over time. For Cardano, strong tokenomics focused on fairness, utility, and incentives are central to its mission of creating a decentralized, scalable, and inclusive ecosystem. So whether you're staking ADA, participating in governance, or using tokens within the growing Cardano dApp ecosystem, understanding tokenomics helps you see the bigger picture. So yeah, thanks for tuning into Adapulse. If you want to support the network and earn rewards, consider staking with ATM Stake Pool. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay updated on all things Cardano. And I'll see you in the next video.